Come on.
In my sorrow, now I see sunshine through the rain. Know when to lead and when to follow, and how to hide away my pain. I play the game so well, learned how to speak and spell. I even got myself a degree. A wife, a house, a son. I used to be someone. Now look what has become of me. I've given my life away. I could have wandered, and different lips I should have kissed. So many seeds I would have planted if I just opened up my fist. A long, long time ago, life was in stereo, and all the words did rhyme. A daydream and a song, one of us can't be wrong. Since when did I go colorblind? Red, orange, yellow, green and blue, indigo and violet too. I know the colors of the rainbow. They were not hard to find. And although I can't tell the difference, I finally made up my mind. Whatever I've been told, before I grow too old, I have to face my fears. And in the darkest night, I'm gonna set the light to shine through my prismatic tears. I've given my life away. I've given my life away. I've given my life away. I've given my life.
Thank you.